Very good evening everyone. My name is Vikas Kumar Arya from Noida 168 and today I am going to conduct one beautiful activity that is challenges versus defender, and this activity will be conducted between two students. So one student is Rishabh Dev and another is Devas Chauhan. I think they both are very capable to fight on this activity, challenges versus defender. One will play the role of challenger and another will play the role of defender. Thank you very much.
Good morning everyone, my name is Devas Chauhan and I am from Sector 167, Noida. So today I am here to show you an activity of challenger versus defender. So in this activity I am defender.
Good morning everyone, my name is Rishabh Dev Chauhan and I am from Sector 167 Noida. I am here to play the role of challenger.
So I would let my friend Rishabh go first and break the ice.
So my point is that from internet you can contact between two very long distance. For example, your friends lives in Mumbai and you live in Noida. Then how will you contact?
But virtual image can affect our physical health. If we are not good in physical health, so we can't watch virtual things like YouTube, phones, laptops, TV screens, etc.
But if you have if you are in problem, you have emergency, you need internet to contact.
But if someone is blind,
If someone is blind,
so
then he
how
can,
could he contact with him who is in different state?
then he can have a relative to contact.
What if he don't have? So what will he do?
So what will you do? It has
What if someone's child goes to another child's home and play games there and watch bad things?
then we can complain to the parents.
Why? Would the child will even listen?
The child why? But if we complain to parents, we can tell them that their kids are playing games and not.
What if the child wouldn't listen to their parents? He can say that I will play. What can you do? And what if he run?
Then we can do the screen time. We can change the screen time.
How can you change the screen time of another child who is at different home?
No, we can ask his parents to change the screen time.
What if his parents also don't listen to you?
Then we won't.
What will you do then?
Then we won't allow our kids to go. Then we won't allow our kids to go there.
What if the child will cry and say I will go? What will you do then?
Then we will just grind it.
Now what will the child would say I want to go and break something in your house? What will you do?
Then we will ground him.
What if he still don't listen?
Then we will say that. Then we will look him and look. Oh, give him a punishment.
Still, the child is attracted to virtual.
What if a relative calls you, or you have a medical emergency in your home? What will you do?
What if someone is having heart attack and your child is simply watching games? He is asking for help and your child will simply ignore him.
No.
He don't have any emotions
If we
because he
teach
is
him,
attracted.
if we teach him,
But-
to a coach.
The child wouldn't listen
Why
because
won't he?
he is
Why won't he?
because he is attracted to games, YouTube.
If we don't let him addict,
Why?
why will we?
What is the proof that your child will listen?
What's the proof that he will not listen?
Because he is attracted to virtuality.
We will not let him addict.
What if he does? What if you are not at home
We will
and
not.
someone is having heart attack in front of him
We-
and he's just simply ignoring him?
We will ban.
Uh,
We will ban the from his birth the websites that he uses, the bad websites.
The child wouldn't listen to you.
No,
He will
if he doesn't even watch them once, what will
he
he do?
will just search how to download the websites. How to download the website which are banned from my phone. He can just search it and download.
Listen, and why will we leave our kid, the child, at home with no one?
What if someone's a pregnant lady baby is just born and you are going to hospital? Then will you let your child go with you?
No, but we will ask some elder man, or we will ask the neighbor to stay with him.
That's what I'm speaking about. If by something he have a medical problem like cancer, tumor.
But we will not let our kids even access the websites, na?
Wait.
Okay, so you could enjoy this activity. Actually, they are very new students. They are preparing for English communication. And I hope this was the first and second video of both of them.